Hello. Hi. Hmm. Let's see. Hope you're all doing well, man. I am doing well. Glad you asked. So yeah, let's jump into these charts. Hello. Hi. All right. Well, looking at the charts, we are shy of that 2 minutes to the market open. And as you can see, you just have to jump into it. What am I looking at? What is the market doing? All that, so forth and so forth. So yeah, I'll be starting off by marking off. Okay, let's say I mark off them like I always do. I come into the charts on the daily. I have my high and my low marked up and see where the drawing liquidity is at. Yeah, hope that makes sense. Yeah. Just a second. I'm gonna be back. Just a second. All right, let's see. Let's look at this. Looking at the charts, what am I seeing? So basically, what I tend to do is I usually don't mark. So what I'm trying to say is that my charts are already marked. Yeah, I was looking at my mic whether to see whether it is on. My charts are already marked. Yeah, my charts are already marked, and I'm not seeing anything different. As you can see, I'm trying to open a new chart and see what the market is doing. So yesterday we analyzed the whole essence about the charts. Yesterday I was trying to mention that we are trading into this range here, some sort of a range. Another one can say it is a bullish, what is it? A bullish flag, something like that. I'm not sure. People who trade, what is this? People who trade patterns. One may say this is a bullish flag. Yeah. What is this? I believe that's the bullish flag. Let me just confirm. Is it? Yeah, I think it is a bullish triangle. Is it a bullish triangle? Let me see. I just want to confirm something here. Yeah, it is. There we go. Ascending triangle pattern. Yeah. Ascending triangle there we go. There we have it. There we go. There we go. There we go. So yeah, this is what I wanted to show you yesterday, and I never got a chance because I was really not into showing the charts and whatever. And basically, let's turn our attention into what the market is doing. So I was saying I trade the order blocks. If you're new, if you come across this video, I'm not sure if you ever come across this video. If you ever come across this video, yeah, I trade order blocks. So my charts are already marked. So what I come to do is see how the reaction of the market based upon them. See how the market reacts on these levels that have been formed. I'm setting up here, kind of tight in a tight position. Yeah, my boy Gideon is live. I believe he's about to get on Discord. I'll be joining him in a few, but let me first do what is happening here. So yeah, we've just marked the previous day high and the previous day low. As you can see from yesterday, we took out the low. I saw a reaction to the upside, but eventually market continued pushing to the downside. During the Asian session, we tried to take out the high of the previous of Monday, but we were unable to. Looking at the 1 hour, you can see 1, 2, 3. there's a 3 control strategy setup that is being formed. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. This is my trading journal. There's a 3 control setup that is about to be formed on the higher time frame, just like yesterday. Yesterday we were mentioning about the trade there on the 1 hour. And before I continue, I would love to see the news that today I'm trading. So yeah, this is the 3 control that I'm talking about. This is the setup that I'm talking about on the 1 hour. Formed yesterday, and apparently it looks like it is about to be formed now. So before we continue, let me see the news. We are expecting the PPI. Not much, not really much. Yeah. What about? I think I'll just open this. Yeah, just here's my tab where I usually trade when I take my trades. It's gonna take its time. Let me see how much CPU am I using. I'm using 6% of the CPU. Well, not much. Okay, that's loaded. Okay, the daily is clean, beautiful. The 1 hour, yeah, this is what I was talking about. I was talking about this setup yesterday, and I was mentioning how when we take out this high, this is gonna be our demand that to be formed, something like that. This setup was a long position here that I was talking about, and I was saying when that's taken out, you just have to move your stop loss that level, and that was the take profit. That was a one-to-one take profit, and yeah, beautiful. That would have been taken out. I never sat out for the poll. Yesterday was the first day I was not trading really much because I was working on my psychology. My psychology is kind of weak right now. It is gonna improve. It has just improved from yesterday. Yeah, I saw that I'm trading the charts. I'm trading my PNL instead. I should be trading my what? Where is this one that I'm trying to come up with? Should be trading the charts, not my PNL. Okay, there's a setup right now. So this is a setup. These are green beautiful setup here that was already played out, and I think believe that I'll be taking those long there. But before I continue, I want first to look at this 15-minute time frame, and beautiful. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, beautiful setup there. There's no demand. Yeah, guys, I'm looking to take these buys. Yeah, I'll be taking these buys. I have a buffer of 50 pips. Just wanna check up on something here real quick. Yeah, bro, I'm taking these buys there based on the 30 minutes. Yeah, taking those buys, boys. Yeah, I mean those buys. All right, position on. Yeah, I'm taking those buys. I'm already in those buys there. And that is my setup. Yeah. So for this setup to be invalidated, yeah, let me see something here. Yeah, I'm not like loving it. Let me see. Yeah, that is a 30-minute setup there. Yeah, those are my 30-minute setup there. All right, that's a quick one. I mean those buys, guys. I mean already in these buys there. I mean those buys. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. You can hear me. I'm basically in these buys here. It is a 30-minute time frame entry, and I want to just confirm something here real quick. Yeah, I need to get rid of that. Basically, I'll be using this here. So I am in those buys from that candle there. Yeah, yeah, those are the buys that I'm in currently. I have a buffer of what, 30 pips? Yeah, I believe so. Or 50 pips buffer in case the setups get invalidated. But yeah, I'm in those buys now. I believe it's gonna play out. Oh, I'm not sure. Where is my entry though? Where is my entry? So I'm having an entry from where? Oh damn. have an entry from, yeah, pretty much at the high. I'm not sure. Yeah, this is a nice entry, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna hold it. There's something that I'm doing here. Oh, there's the pop. Beautiful pop, man. Beautiful gold, beautiful. Beautiful gold, I love the pop. So basically this is a 3 count. The 3 count rule entry. I'm just gonna record it here on my journal. Just gonna journal this real quick. Copy link. Yeah, I'm gonna copy that link. So what is it? To the 15 minute. I'm gonna add it there. Make sure 30 minutes. 30-minute setup. I'm gonna copy link there. So yeah, mention there. One also beautiful. I love the way the plus demand that is following as we pop to the upside. Beautiful. And also the 4-hour, movement 4. Hope it push and at least give me a 50%. Looking for 50%, but all in all, Lord, I wish for you to continue popping. Yeah. So that is a 30 minutes demand setup. I'm just gonna highlight this. Today is on Wednesday. Yeah. 15-minute entry, 30 minutes. Yeah, I can basically say it's a 15 and a 30 minutes setup. Yeah, it was a 3 count rule entry. So this was a Asian session. It is a long setup there, and I actually entered it at a market. The time I was placing my buy stop, the market was already moving me. So yeah, hope it gives me. Yeah, just gonna be patient with this trade, and yeah, let's see what it's gonna provide, man. Just have to see, just have to wait and see, be patient, and hold our trades, man. Just gonna hold our trades. Let me pop into Edwin's Gideon's stream and see whether this live or what. Let me see. Well, Gideon is not live. Yeah, it's not live. Let's see. I want to see where I'm going to get a reaction. I'm expecting a reaction from this level here. Also this level, no, not reaction, no reaction there. Yeah, I'm just anticipating for a reaction here. Let's see how many pips would that be. That will be 30 pips there. I just have to be patient in this market a lot. Yeah, I just have to be patient in the markets, man. Some Wednesday. Hope she continues pushing, man. Looking for it to continue pushing, especially when you form this. Especially when you are formed that. What is that? Especially once we have formed these the 3-count entry, man. I'm looking for that pop. Yeah, anticipating for that pop. Go do your thing, man. Go ahead and do your thing. So I want to be 50%. I want to highlight more 50%. We are reacting to this thing here. To this. Yeah, we are reacting to that. But all in all, these are good entry. Everything is based on the journal. Everything is as I was waiting for. So I am really set up about this trade. Hope it does its thing, man. So once we tap this, as you see, it is aligning to this level over here. Yeah, we'll be thinking about a lot about that level. But anyway, I'm not sure about this, man. I'm gonna wait on it. Right now, I'm looking at the formation of that supply. Once that demand, once it forms, I'm looking to move my stops to this level over here. I'm just gonna highlight that. Yeah, I'm just gonna highlight that, be moving my stop at that level. And yeah, I hope I can be seen. Yeah, so that is the trade, boys and girls. That is a trade. Beautiful pop. I love what you're doing, gold. Continue doing that. Oh, we're tapping that level, man. Getting rejection. That's rejection. So we have 2 minutes until the candle closes. I love to see for us to close after we have given the demand. I love to see that, man. If you fail to do that, this is gonna be a tough one, man. It will be such a tough cookie to crack if we fail to do that. Yeah, beautiful. I love the opening of that candle. So let me see. Beautiful. We just have the opening of that candle and we form that demand. This trade now is looking more, still valid, more valid. Yeah, this trade is looking more valid, and I can feel easy moving my stop at that level there. Oh, thank you, gold, for that. Yeah, thank you, gold, for that. Love the pop. Hope we the 50 EMA we tap and disseminate it. Yeah, hopefully we continue tapping it, and that tap of the 50 EMA is one of the, we just tapped at it right now, the 50 EMA, and we're pushing beautifully there. And let's see, what do I want to do? I want to do that. Yeah, that's gonna be a hard one to crack. You see the rejection there. I knew that's gonna happen. But we already moved our stops, man. So essentially this trade is like risk-free. not like a risk free. What am I looking at? This one's gonna take its time, broski. Yeah, it's gonna take its time, man. That is done. Let's look at this. That is done also. Did we tap on that line? Huh? Did we tap on that line? No, we just tapped the 50 EMA, but we never really tapped this line here. Or did we? No, we never really tapped on it. We just tapped the 50 EMA. Oh, the 30, there's the 30, man. The 30, is the 30 gonna hold? I'm just gonna draw it. I'm not sure it's gonna hold or not. Yeah, but this was our setup. This is already on our blueprint. Everything is as it should be. Yeah, everything is at it should. It's as it should be. Yeah, I'm just adjusting the stop losses levels on my chart here. Hey, my head is damn, it's paining, man. Don't know why. Don't know why my head is really paining. All right. Yeah, stop loss have been moved. Yeah, I was adjusting my stop loss levels there. How I wish could just pushes and continue pushing. So this is a 30-minute time frame entry. We are testing the 50 EMA once again. Oh, are we gonna break it and tap this level and start pushing to the downside? Ooh, gonna be interesting. It's gonna be really interesting to see what price gonna do. Anyway, yeah, still in this position here, holding on this position. Yeah, see you in like the closure of the 30 minutes candle. I'm gonna be back. this trade looks alright. I'm back. We have in the 4 closure. Damn, closure, man, closure is disheartening. We have the 1 hour closure. Yes, we have a entry confirmation, like a buy entry here. This is looking rough since we are already in this trade, man. This trade may actually push this way, and then yeah, that is a possibility, man. This trade may actually push that way. Continue. Yeah, with that formation there, man, it is looking not really good. I'm just gonna leave this here. That's the 1 hour on the 30 minutes. On the 30 minutes, we just closed inside the demand. It's not really looking good at all, man. On the 15, damn, we are really pushing to the downside there. Not really looking good, but you just have to hold. I'm just gonna hold this trade. But yeah, it's really looking rough. Really looking so much rough. So let's see something here. There's a setup that was forming here by setup, but it got invalidated. Yeah. So basically, if a candle closes below this demand, then this setup is gone. Yeah, just have to call it, man. Hopefully that does not happen. So yeah, if you have a candle closes below that demand, man, yeah, just have to call it, man. You have something like that closure below that, just have to call it. And the way it's looking, man, it's looking pretty much rough. Yeah, man, this is not my trade. Today is not my trade. I was not early on this trade, I was just right. The trade was just but right. Yeah, I'm gonna see it through, man. Hope this demand holds. If it fails to hold, we are pretty much cooked. Yeah, pretty much cooked. Because looking here, there's nothing else. On the 15, there's nothing. There's literally nothing else. There's literally nothing else below here. So this, if you have the closure below here, this price may actually go here below to take out this liquidity. Damn, son. is coming for my stop loss. Was I early out to this trade? Was I really early? Don't think so. I was early to this trade. Oh, you see, we are taking these lows and forming a supply here. So yeah, this is proving to be a real nutcase. Yeah, she got me, man. She really did get me. Oh, I am waiting for the 30-minute closure. Yeah, the 30 minutes candle closure. Yeah, I'm just waiting for that closure. And yeah, I'll be ending the stream then. I want to see how the candle's gonna close. That I'm curious about, man. I'm really curious about that. Just gonna leave this here and yeah, just waiting for that closure. Alright, we're having the closure of that candle in the next 3 minutes. I'll be live for this week only, and I see how it's gonna pan out. I want to be live when I'm not really trading. Yeah, when I'm not really looking for trades, that's when I want to be live. That's really the time that I want to be live, when I'm not really looking for any trades. I'm not looking for anything in the markets. That's I believe the best time to be trading, man. I want to be live at that time. Oh, the 15 candle just opened up. The 1 hour candle, I mean, it just opened up and chose violence. Yeah, less than 3 minutes there until the closure of that candle. Well, today I was seeing on the New York session, we are having a lot of setups, man. New York session, this was New York session sell setup there. Another New York session setup there. Like, it is been consistent. Like, when was Monday? Monday was, yeah, this was Monday. Monday New York session sell there. Session New York session sell. On Friday also New York session. What did we do? On Friday New York session buys. It has been consistent. The market on New York session, it has been really consistent, and I don't know what to say about that. I think I'll be more ingrained and keen to be trading during the New York session. Well, it has been doing a lot for the couple of days, man. This is let's say, this is what, this was the Thursday New York session. See that New York session, we have this beautiful sales. Then we came in the buys. New York session has been, well, has been the G in this market. Should I be trading the New York session? Let's see. That is yet to be seen or to be told. Yeah, this market is really the way it's looking right now. It really just want to sell. To screaming sell. Yet again, I'm seeing consolidation to be formed. Yeah, that's the closure there. Yeah, there we go with our closure. Yes, go. Thank you for faking us out. Yeah, very much that was a fake out, man. Thank you for faking us out, man. And these are setup that I'm seeing here, but I'm not really good to take it. The reason why this setup is not really good to take, because of this demand here. Yeah, God, you want the effect us out, man. You really did fake us out. Yeah, that's it for the session, man. See you tomorrow. I think I'll do this for this week. I'll be trading for this week, and then when it comes next week, I'm gonna sit this one out, man. I just want to see how this gonna pan out, psychology and all that. Yeah, that's it for the Asian session. We got stopped. Gold faked us out, and right now it seems as if it is pushing to the upside. Yep.